Hey crafty people, in this video we're going to be talking about an abbreviation EDC, which stands for extended double crochet. So I've got a swatch here with extended crochet stitches, and this is how you make them. You yarn over as you do, go into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and go through only one loop, creating a chain here. Next, yarn over through two, yarn over through two, like a regular double crochet. So let's do that again. Yarn over into your next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over through one, creating a chain, yarn over through two, yarn over through two. And that is EDC, extended double crochet.